My name is Juan Rivera, and I'm an anthropologist working on indigenous cultures and cosmovisions in the highlands of South America. I'm trying to develop an ethnographic approach to relationships between humans and non-humans in different Amerindian cultures, both in the highlands and lowlands of South America. There are two main parts of it. One is the reflection on the ethnographic data I already collected myself, and also through previous ethnographies in the area and in the surroundings. And the second part is actually something that you can do only in environments like CASE, which is a comparison of perspectives on indigenous peoples, on marginalized peoples, on the politics of visibility, for instance, that is very important in this group. So I would say it's both ethnographic reflection and theoretical reflection, continuously feeding back one to the other. There are many ways to put it, but to keep it simple, I would say there are two aspects that are important. One is when you consider fieldwork as a sort of art that requires specific personal qualities in order to enter into a dialogue with indigenous peoples. The second is an openness, I would say, to different qualitative methods regarding biography, interviews, but also to be open not to only asking to the people some questions you are interested in, but to let them tell you what they want to tell you about many other different aspects that maybe are not directly related, but that will be a very good source for further thinking on this group, in my case at least. For me, case or CASE, there are two versions of it, it's very important because it allows me to go beyond the very restricted group of Andean scholars or Andeanist scholars. It's been a long tradition of Americans interested in the highlands that they talk only among them. Some of us are already starting to make a detailed comparison with Amazonian groups. But you go then to the case of the Chaco, Patagonia, Araucania, and other regions of South America, the examples are less and less. But in CASE, it's for me, it provides me a very good opportunity not only to develop this side of comparison, which I have already started some years ago, but to go beyond this in order to understand problems that are comparable from all over the world. In CASE, you have people working in different continents with different types of groups, and the theoretical framing, the perspectives they have developed are so much interesting for my own cases. So it's very enriching for me, this dialogue. Not to talk about the possibilities to start a collaboration in the following years, thanks to this already previous meeting we are having during all these months here.